Now we will see the role of government in the public sector. Okay, here I have given you the points. Students, the explanation of these points I have already given you in the notes, so you just please go through the notes. It will help you to understand these points well. So the role of government in the public sector. So here the first point is development of the infrastructure. So the pace of industrial development cannot be accelerated without the establishment of infrastructure. So its development requires huge capital investment which cannot be mobilized by the private sector. Moreover, these projects do not promise high profit. So in such type of projects, only the government intervene can lead the growth of public sector. Okay, now the next point is development of the backward areas. Students, the goal of achieving a reduction in economic inequality between the regions become easy to reach if industries are set up in the backward areas also. But the profit seeking private industrialists often are not enthusiastic, or they were not keen to set up the industries in the backward regions as it is not beneficial for them. So it is the duty or the responsibility of the governments to start industrial production in these areas, okay, for the growth and the development of these backward areas. Okay, now the next point is basic facilities, okay, like education, health, sanitation. So there are a large number of activities which are the primary responsibility of the government. The government must spend on these, providing health, quality of education, particularly elementary education between the age group of 6 to 14 is the duty of government. So India's size of illiterate population is one of the largest in the world, and this is the major issue or the cause for the unemployment in India. So it is the duty of the government to see this also for the development of the public sector, as it is owned by the government. Okay, now the last point is the other problem. So students, there are many other problems like the malnutrition, high infant mortality rate, unsafe drinking water, lack of housing facilities, which need special attention. These problems can be solved only with the intervention of the government, and these are the basic facilities, and it is the responsibility of the government to provide all these facilities to the people and accommodate them. It will help them for the growth of the public sector and ultimately in the growth of our economy. Okay, students, in this chapter I have taught you about the different sectors of our economy, and I have already also taught you about the interdependence of these sectors and their contribution in our GDP, and we have read about the organized and unorganized sector, and we also see that what is the role of our government for the development of public sector. I hope you all are able to understand these points, and students, please see the notes and do the work properly. Whatever the notes I am giving you, I will assign a day on which I will ask you to show me your notes. Okay, so be ready and be sincere, and if you having any problem, please ask me personally. Okay, next week we will do the revision of all those chapters which we have done. So please go through the notes and see the topics. Thank you.